Alright, mate. Is DYDX about to explode out of a 4-hour apex? It is a very nice 4-hour apex. I don't know, is that what you bought? Nice buy. Now, the problem is it is red on the 3-month. I made a video yesterday, it's red in the 3-month. Now, this is potentially a 4-hour apex, and this is potentially a 4-hour inverse head and shoulders. Now, this might need to come back down here and form some sort of pattern and before moving its way up, in theory at least. But the entire issue with this is the fact that it's having a red 3-month candle. Now, quite often when you have a red 3-month candle like this, it does not flip green. So can this flip green? Is this a wick? Is this forming a wick and then it'll pop up and flip green before the end of in the next 1 month and 8 days time? I don't know. But if this forms a pattern like this, I would think on a new year, you know, we'll say we finish somewhere there, for example. I would say then on a new year, DYDX looks good to have a 2 inside out play. It's a 3-bar play basically, and so I don't know about exploding, but I think it's going higher, right? I think it's going higher, and you can see, well, where I've drew this, the line here, I think the 3-month can finish up here somewhere. So that's still a 20% bounce to get to that area, and that would still leave this pattern to be in play. Say if we do move up there and we create a shoulder, you know, then you're going to get a target of up here into this sort of a rough area just by eye up in there. But the entire pattern is forming a 3-bar play, which is a bullish pattern. So yes, there's a bit of a bearishness happening today and a bit of a pullback, but I do think that this goes higher. And I think this resistance point up here is going to be a key level. You can see it running right through here. This is the point of breakdown from the bullish market to the bear market, and we retested it once, retested twice, and I think price will retest it again.